To correctly arrange YouTube TV channels, start by accessing your YouTube TV account on a computer or mobile device. Once logged in, navigate to the Live tab where you can view all available channels. Click on the three-dot icon near the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. In the Settings menu, select the Channel Lineup option. Here you can view all the channels included in your package. To arrange channels, click on the Edit icon which appears as a pencil. This will allow you to reorder channels by dragging and dropping them into your preferred order. Channels can be arranged in a way that groups similar channels together, such as sports or news channels. You can also place your most watched channels at the top of the list for easy access. When you have finished arranging your channels, click Save to confirm the changes. It is also possible to hide channels that you do not watch, which can help to declutter your channel lineup. To hide a channel, click on the three-dot icon next to the channel name and select Hide. Hidden channels can be accessed at any time by clicking on the Show Hidden Channels option at the bottom of the channel lineup page. By following these steps, you can create a personalized channel lineup that suits your viewing preferences. This can enhance your overall YouTube TV experience and make it easier to find and watch your favorite channels. Regularly reviewing and updating your channel lineup can also help to ensure that it remains relevant and useful over time.